gotta get a good line on this one, buddy.
You ain't
You know, that
kidding?
looks pretty tame, but it's not our first time in there.
It's gonna be bad.
Pick your line, right? Pick your line. He's ready to tear this thing apart today. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Right? Right on. Oh man, that's cute. The old assassinator's on the Highlifter. He's gonna try to show his brother up, show him how it's done with a set of 32.
No go. That spot right there is bad news, man.
Ready.
You should have went a little bit over.
You're gonna want to ham into that one, bud.
What's that?
You're gonna want to ham right into that one.
Nah.
Take the slow crawl.
Yeah.
Wait.
What's that?
32s for the win. Great. Well, that was fun.
Yeah. We ain't leaving at that, boys. No fucking way.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Would have been cool if it didn't make it, though.
That would have been cooler.
It would have sucked if it didn't make it.
Sorry,
Hey?
buddy. It would have been cooler. For a second, I thought you
We
weren't
got the
going to
good
make
zoom
it.
going on, too.
Hey?
I know, I thought I was pooched when I launched off it.
When your front, well, about 20 feet out, your front,
Right there, too.
Your front tires came up, and I thought you were done. I'll go flying up again, eh?
I gotta go over there and get this.
Steve! Are you running?
I'm standing down there this time.
Think you'll make it?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you might.
I don't need to see a damn thing, as long as you guys can. That's the important part.
Come on, baby. Wish me luck! Wow! Here comes the popo. Oh, he's going
for the hard
greaser
spot.
over there to the left.
That's rough there.
Oh yeah, well I knew I was launching into a bad spot. I think he's going to launch into a real bad spot.
Need a
Well, he's not
beverage.
doing the same spot that...
Oh, he's moving.
Yeah, he hit the same spot I did the first time, guys. That little spot is just ripped to shit. Wow, man, that was awesome. It felt awesome.
I told her to wait for everybody to get stuck, drive across it with the freaking Grizzly.
Yeah, I totally just creeped across it.
Yeah.
Lightweight, stay on top, don't spin, it'll work. That's all she takes.
I knew that was a bad spot. That's rough. Look at. Yeah, you almost got a hitter on this side here now. Yeah, it is, eh? You did a nice launch, so. What kind of exhaust is that on there, Phil?
Hey?
What kind of exhaust is that again?
Big gun.
Big gun. Evo.
Yeah.
Sounds excellent. You got the Dalton spring in the primary.
Yeah.
It makes her jump like a rabbit.
She come down and it just wanted to plant, so I let off her a split. Holy moly.
Actually, Phil's was still paddling slowly there for a minute. I thought it might pop up, but
I missed the last part of yours. I thought you were gonna run over me.
That's Phil.
Oh, okay. There's one behind that.
You know, the hard part is the launch. When you launch, you kind of lose momentum, but it looks badass. And we're all about looking badass. Steve, he's got the cams. He's got the ECM tuned, reflashed. He's got the MT2 silverbacks, I believe. Let's see what they can do. He's up, him and Tommy. Pretty steep. We're going to be a nice jump off of that.
Well, yeah. Tries on the other side here.
Here we go. Cam down, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Go, Steve. Go, go. Yeah. Come on. Oh, that sounds wild, eh? Yeah, buddy.
All right, Tommy. Yeah, you kind of picked a bad time to go last, right? If you ain't first, you're last. And if you're last, you're not going to be first. Right here. No, that's terrible. Terrible spot. You got to go kind of like right there where that grass is.
Fuck, you think so?
Yeah. That's a terrible spot there. We're on top of that grass hump and chew right in between those two pine trees maybe. I think you got it.
I don't think so.
That's our strategic plan and I think it's going to work.
Hey, Tommy! Start there and come across this way.
Right here is good.
That's getting pretty bad.
No, it's good right here. You'll get some back end traction there.
Oh yeah, Christy's gonna get
right
into
between
it.
Those trees. You got her, buddy. I knew that was going to be treacherous. You got her, buddy. Oh man.
Look at that.
I think I got splattered a bit there. The video turned out. Pretty badass jump though.
Oh. Oh my. What the fuck? Oh, this is bad. Whoa!
Might have to break on the remote. That's how it works. You go back in to save somebody and
You're stuck. You need those, someone just needs to have one of those mud cleats that you hook to your winch and you just drive it in the mud, someone stands on it.
oh yeah, I know. I thought about that, like the anchor thingy.
Yeah, I've seen them
Yeah.
on the Jeep shows there up in Alaska when they're doing all the off-road.
Yeah, it's surprising. Like those little tiny trees, sometimes that's all it takes if you wrap around, or even a clump of grass. But when it don't work, it sucks.
They look just like an anchor and they just kind of dig through. They might even move as it's pulling through the mud, but it
Yeah.
still gives you a little bit of, if you're diving.
Just that little bit.
Oh my god. This stuff is killing. Trying to walk through. Oh, Phil's getting away through there. Oh, don't break her. Boy, he's beating on her. It's not going easy on her, eh?
Hey?
Not going easy on her.
No, he knows how to use it.
Yeah, it's getting exhausting just standing in this stuff.
I know.
Clean or?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me?
okay. Yeah, you're good.
Quarter battery type thing?
Last bar, what about me?
Half.
Really, half?
Yeah. I had mine all the way down, well not all the way from the house, but
Oh, okay.
I should probably go change the battery. I'm gonna use the washroom up here. And then I'm gonna go change the battery. And I
Oh,
guess-
looks like Troy's gonna do another. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy. Whoa. Whoa. Working good. It's working good. Back. Up.
Ate the shit right there.
I guess I should have held it for a
Yeah, I
second.
guess so.
I guess this is the route we're coming back now, or what?
Well, I'll tell you.
Later, on duties on the team together. Put them over here. Well, they don't want to go right there, but
You're screwed here now,
right
though.
around this fucking loop.
You're not going to come through that. Right there. Unless you cut in here.
I mean, sideways it might work, because there might be tracks in here and there.
That's real bad, man.
Oh, I know
Real
right
bad.
there, but you gotta aim for that yellow post. Kind of you get as far as them, you can throw a winch on anyway, which they should do. That's the damn post, right?
Right through here. Maybe. We're up. Straight through. That's going to be a tight turn. Very tight. It shouldn't take long to carve this one up, boys. Holy shit, this spot here's bad too. Oh yeah, this is where Philip was dug in.
Hey?
This is where Philip was dug in on the Lingham Lake ride.
Well, this is it.
Wow. Whew. Gonna make you work for it. She does.
Do you say?
Look at the skag on her, boys.
Hey,
Hey?
you figure?
Well, we could try.
It's worth a shot, right?
Well,
Just to see, type thing.
could be.
I think we'll be all right.
Get rid of some unwanted weight. Look at that shit. Wow, we are getting into it, aren't we? We sure did. We did.
Shall we do a three combo?
All three of us just hammer?
Yeah, we're thinking of maybe, you know, see if we can't do one of these. We're thinking about it. All right?
Well, if we dive in here,
Yeah.
but what if we try to carve right back in through the middle?
Yeah, but you want to angle it across all that shit, right?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, just go for it, bud.
This is going to be a... Just go for it, all
Yeah,
right?
that's one of them. We'll help each other out.
All right.
3-man team. Let's give her a shot.
All right.
Go right fucking here, and then just carve in left. Head left for that yellow post right there once you get up
Jesus.
close to the shit.
I just hope I can make it across this shit right here.
We should be fine.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
That's it.
Are you ready? You ready?
Go!
You got?
Hey, Gamer, I'll get the good footage behind you, boys. We got this.
My own fault for letting off. I should have held her.